Hi guys, I'm Asad Kothari and welcome to our platform Business by Kothari. I'm really looking forward to be part of your learning journey. If you are deciding to purchase AS course pack or our live classes, then this is the right place for you. Let me tell you, if you just clicked on the enroll now button, I will be your teacher, me, myself, Asad Kothari, and I have been in this industry since a decade now, more than a decade, and it will be a wonderful journey throughout. You have like two options. If you want to purchase like AS course pack or AS online classes, you want to prepare for AS level basically. And if you want to give a good exam, then definitely you're looking for the right place to get your guidance and the structured way to support you. So here we are with the solution, and we are offering two options to you. You can either purchase an online course pack for AS level, where you will get access to all the videos, all the support resources at once, and that will be self-paced. So you will be studying at your own pace, at your own speed, whenever you want, however you want it. So that is a course pack basically. Second option is you can also enroll for our live online classes for AS level that are intended for May-June 2027 session. And in that particular live class, we are going to interact. You're going to be in a group of students, and like I will be interacting you via Zoom, and that will be twice a week. And that is also another way. If you want to get a live class, that is also an opportunity for you to get directly in connection with me. So you can just prepare for your AS level in May, June 2027. And I'm really looking forward to be part of your learning journey. I'm going to be there to support you step by step on how to do it and how to achieve the best possible grades in AS level. So looking forward to connect with you soon. And you're going to get connected to a community of students like you who really want to study and prepare well for their exam. So looking forward to get connected. Thank you very much for being here. See you around.